Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you this hand sanitizer that I found. In case any of you have a Ollies in your area, they have this Faber brand hand sanitizer. It says it is a recommended formulation by the World Health Organization. It is 1 liter. This is a glass bottle, in case you were wondering, and there's all the information. And as you see, it is 80% alcohol, so that's good. These were $5.99. I picked up 2. Realistically, I don't want to go overboard picking up hand sanitizer, just because realistically, unless you're going out a lot, you don't necessarily need it just sitting around your house. But I did pick up 2 just as a backup, so they'll just sit on the shelf. Speaking of a shelf, coming over here, I picked this shelf up right here. You see, here's the weight limit there. So I picked this up so that I could put some of the items that I want to stockpile, because I have some metal ones, but they have like laundry detergent, and then one has one of my son's clothes. So I wanted to pick this one up so that I could go ahead and start getting things more organized. So there you go. So that should be pretty easy to put together. I also picked up a ground ginger because I just needed another one, and I haven't been able to find one at Aldi. I don't use ginger a whole lot, but I also have ginger paste. So I figured just one of these would suffice, so it was 97 cents. I did pick up another bottle of the Awesome, so if you watched my last haul, you would have seen this one here. If not, go check it out, and that is the price on there. I did pick up this protein powder. It is 30 grams, and it is in the flavor creamy vanilla. Okay, then to put in the stockpile, I picked up 2 cans of the cashew halves and pieces, and so there is the size there and the price. I thought that was pretty good. Then over here, I picked up this little thing of snacks, because if you've been watching my last couple of videos, you'll see that I have little fur babies. So I picked this up for them. I do typically only buy them certain brands of items, but I figured, you know, in a pinch, and in case they like it, and since it was only 89 cents, I will go ahead and try it based off the size, see if they like it. And then last but not least, I picked up these wipes right here. They're 99 cents by the Arm & Hammer brand, and these are the litter pan wipes. It says cleans and deodorizes without harmful chemicals, and it's 30 for 99 cents. I thought that was actually pretty good. And there are the ingredients: purified water, surface cleanser, baking soda, preservative. So I felt like realistically, I mean, these would be really good to help keep their litter boxes clean, but also in a pinch, if we just needed to clean just something, we spilled some juice or something, that we could also use these based off, you know, the ingredients in there. So I picked up, I believe, 9. Yeah, I picked up 9, which is all they had on the shelf. Normally, I don't take all of an item on the shelf, but because of where I was, in a place like Ollie's, you already know that when you come in, you know, you can see something one day, it's gone the next. They did have a whole bunch of boxes of these. Some of the boxes weren't even open. They were just in the center of the floor. So that is my little mini haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out the rest of my channel. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys later. I hope you're doing well. Stay safe. And just remember, you know, this too shall pass, right? All right. Bye, guys.